Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an AI generated site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you of course haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your sites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the, of course, home, setup, we have the settings, design site, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create an AI generated site on Wix. So first of all, click design site from your site dashboard. Of course, you have it here and you have it in the down screen here. And it will pop up like this. You will have your website where you can go and design it. Then select create a site with AI. So you'll have that option immediately pop out where you can go and create it with, of course, just AI. Of course, in the bottom left corner, you have AI tools if you already created your site without it. Then use the options to tell the generator what you want, such as the pages you'd like to add, your logo, etc. Read the site brief to ensure it's, of course, correct and you like it like that. And then at the very end, just click generate site and it will be generated for you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.